Here is how to add subscriptions in Zoho Subscriptions, perfect for recurring bills and servicing plans. First, log into your account at subscriptions.zoho.com. From the left-hand menu, click on Subscriptions, then tap the plus New Subscription button. Now, select an existing customer or click plus New Customer to create a new one. Next, choose the plan you want to subscribe them to. Plans are based on the pricing models you've already set up. You can also apply any add-ons, discounts, or custom pricing if needed. Set the start date, billing cycle, monthly, yearly, etc., and payment method, like credit card, ACH, or manual. If everything looks good, click Create or Start Subscriptions to activate it. Zoho will handle invoicing, payment reminders, and recurring bills automatically from here. And that's how to add the new subscriptions in Zoho Subscriptions. Quick, automated, and ready for scale. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.